Did you know that sneezes travel at 100 miles per hour? That's right. Your humble sneeze is a tiny powerhouse. And here's another fun fact. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Your body shuts your eyes automatically to protect them. But wait, there's more. Ever wondered why some sneezes are louder than others? It turns out the volume of your sneeze depends on your lung capacity and the force at which air is expelled. Some people even have unique sneeze styles that run in families. Finally, did you know that sneezing is a global phenomenon? No matter where you go in the world, people sneeze in the same way. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're part of a universal club of sneeze enthusiasts.